came to programming, you know, I just looked at what I liked when I was a kid. A lot of people say, you know, if you're looking to make a change, try to remember what you liked to do when you were younger. And I remembered really liking computers. I remembered really liking physics and math and science and all that stuff. And yeah, I sat down one summer and kind of learned how to program in Pascal, of all things. This was only 5 years ago. I don't know why I chose Pascal, but I found some stuff online. I somehow got it to work with an IDE and wrote some code to make a rocket ship take off in an afternoon, and I was hooked, like, immediately. I was like, this is the coolest thing ever. Why didn't I start doing this when I was a kid? Oh my God, you know. And maybe I wouldn't have found it cool then, but I think I would have. And yeah, it was like light bulbs went off, and I've been chasing it ever since that day. I've been coding pretty much every day, thinking about nothing else since then.
And I originally thought I'd be a lot more interested in teaching the older kids doing like web development and Java and Python and stuff, because that's kind of my area of expertise. But what I found, and where they kind of started me out at, was teaching a lot of the Scratch courses, and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like you get to be there when kids are first exposed to coding a lot of the times. A lot of them have no prior experience, whereas in the classes that they take later, they've already done all this other stuff. So yeah, I'm really enjoying, it's really rewarding for me to get to be there to see a lot of those first light bulbs start clicking on when they're like, whoa, this is how you do that? Like, this is how you move something across a screen, or this is how you like shoot a little bullet out of a, you know, they're figuring out all these things, and I can see the world, or hear the wheels turning when they're talking to me over the microphone, and it's, yeah, it's really rewarding and really enjoying. I'm really enjoying teaching them.